Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Alex, and get ready because today we're kicking off an incredible 7-day lows belly fat challenge. This is the perfect workout if you're a beginner, you don't have any equipment, and you want to do something effective right from your living room. The secret weapon here is consistency. All I'm asking for is just 10 minutes a day for 7 days straight. Are you in? Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because you won't want to miss day 2, day 3, and the rest of this amazing challenge. Let's get moving. First up, we're starting with standing cross crunches to warm up those abs and obliques. Let's go. Bring that knee up and twist your torso. Remember to engage your core and really drive that elbow toward the opposite knee. Keep it tight. Nice work. Now, let's get that heart rate up with mountain climbers. This is fantastic for cardio and a serious lower belly burn. Get into a plank position and drive those knees to your chest. Move fast. Keep that core strong. You're doing great. Keep pushing. Next, we're targeting the lower abs with leg raises. Lie on your back, hands under your hips for support. Lift your legs up and lower them down slowly. The key is control. Don't swing your legs. Control the motion all the way down. Feel that. All right, let's keep that momentum going with flutter kicks. These are an absolute killer for that stubborn lower belly area. Small, quick kicks, just like you're swimming. Can you feel the burn? That's what we want. Now, let's sculpt and tighten with plank hip dips. Get into a plank and gently rotate those hips slowly from side to side, tapping the floor. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale on one side, exhale on the other. We're getting stronger. Up next, the reverse crunch. This is the move that really targets that lower belly pooch. Lie on your back, knees bent, and lift your hips off the ground towards your chest. It's a small but powerful movement. Now for a classic, bicycle crunches. This is an amazing combo for your obliques and your full abdominal wall. Go for that elbow to opposite knee connection, but keep it slow and controlled. Don't rush it. We're almost there. It's time for our final burnout. High knees. This is where you finish strong. Let's go all out for the last 40 seconds. Get those knees up as high as you can. Pump your arms, push yourself. You've got this. And time. You made it. That's day 1 of our 7-day belly fat challenge complete. Amazing job. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up every single day. To see even faster results, pair this workout with 3 simple habits. First, aim to drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Second, try to cut down on sugary drinks and processed foods. And third, make sure you get at least 7 hours of sleep. Your body needs that recovery time to burn fat. Repeat this workout for the next 7 days and comment below with your progress. I'll be right there replying and cheering you on. If you want me to drop a lose belly fat in 14 days advanced version, smash that like button and share this video with a friend who might need it. Thanks for crushing it with me today, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2.